So this is the 2016 Junior Cert Ordinary Level Paper 2 and we're looking at question 5. Aoife wants to find the volume of her bath shown in the photograph on the right. She uses a tape measure to find the length, width and depth of the bath as shown in the photograph. The values she gets are shown in the table below. Part A says complete the table by converting each measurement to centimetres or metres as appropriate. Okay, so if we look at our table here, the length is done for us in both centimetres and metres. The width, we're given it in centimetres and we need to know it in metres. Well, to convert from centimetres to metres, the conversion is you divide by 100. So you should know that. 55 divided by 100, and that gives us 0.55. The depth is given to us in metres and we need to convert this to centimetres. So the conversion back is the opposite to divide by 100, which is multiply by 100. So 0.4 multiplied by 100 gives us 40. So it's 40 centimetres the depth. So that's the table filled in. Part B says use the measurements in the table to find the volume of the bath. Assume that the bath is in the shape of a rectangular box. State whether your answer is in centimetres cubed or in metres cubed. Okay, well, the volume of a rectangular box, that's a cuboid. So the volume of a cuboid is the length by the width by the height, or the depth if you want to call it, but length by width by height. Okay, so I'm going to use these values. I'm just going to stick to metres cubed. And I'm going to use those values. So I'm going to use the metres cubed value. So it's 1.5, 0.55 and 0.4. So 1.5 multiplied by 0.55 multiplied by 0.4. So when we do this in our calculator, the answer we get is 0.33, and this is in meters cubed. Remember, I chose the meter measurements. And you could obviously do it in centimeters cubed. You get an answer that's in centimeters cubed. Okay, part C says give a reason why the answer to part B is probably not the exact volume of the bath. Well, the bath, it said assume that the bath is in the shape of a rectangular box. The reason would be the bath would not be a rectangular box. So the bath would, in real life, would not be a rectangular box. Another reason might be that some of the measurements weren't exactly correct. That would also be acceptable. Okay, so that's the end of the question.